The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a hurricane watch for Winston County in northwestern Alabama, Cullman County in northwestern Alabama, Marion County in northwestern Alabama, and Itawamba County in northeastern Mississippi until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Thursday, September 17, 2020. On 2:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Wednesday, September 3rd, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tropical storm was located 10 miles east of Hialeah, Miami-Dade County, Florida, moving west at 260 miles per hour. Hazard, tropical storm or hurricane. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damages are likely. Hurricane Isabella will be near Addison, Double Springs, Natural Bridge, Nauvoo around 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Cullman, Good Hope, Hamilton around 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Bear Creek around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Fulton, Mississippi, Tremont, Mississippi at around 5:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the hurricane include, in Alabama, Haleyville, Arley, Del Mar, Glen Allen, Bear, Pikeville, and Brilliant. In Mississippi, Mentachie, Mount Pleasant, and Dorsey. If you see Hurricane Isabella near your location, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outside, in a vehicle, move to a closer substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. Strong gusts of wind, heavy rainfall, and hail may hide this hurricane. Do not wait to see or hear a hurricane. I repeat, take cover now. Hurricanes are confirmed dangerous to see and hear in the nighttime. Do not go outside. Take cover now. Make sure you have food, medical supplies, water, transistor radio, a first aid kit, and extra stuff with you for the next 14 days. Repeating, a hurricane watch is in effect for Winston County in northwestern Alabama, Cullman County in northwestern Alabama, Marion County in northwestern Alabama, and Itawamba County in northeastern Mississippi until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Thursday, September 17, 2020.
俺はすっごい好きなんだけど、いっつも悩ませるよね。それがすごい楽しいんですよ。
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
よし、ちょいマックしてくるわ。
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
選べなかった。いいじゃん、マック。
緊急地震速報です。
This is a Typhoon Hagrid alert. This is a Typhoon Hagrid alert. NHK is broadcasting this information in English, as well as in Japanese.
これは台風ハグリッド警報です。これは台風ハグリッド警報です。NHK は、この情報を英語と日本語で放送しています。
The meteorological agency is warning the Typhoon Hagrid is expected to hit in the following areas: the coast of Fukushima Prefecture. The waves can get up to 4 as mentioned in some other areas. All residents near the coast must evacuate to higher ground immediately. Typhoons are hard to see and hear during the daytime.
気象庁は、台風ハグリッドが福島県沿岸を襲うことが予想されていると警告している。他のいくつかの地域で言及されているように、波は最大4リットルになる可能性があります。海岸近くのすべての居住者はすぐに高台に避難しなければなりません。台風は日中見づらいです。
This is a Typhoon Hagrid alert. This is a Typhoon Hagrid alert. NHK is broadcasting this information in English, as well as in Japanese.
これは台風ハグリッド警報です。これは台風ハグリッド警報です。NHK はこの情報を
folks. I'm the Old Ranger with an exciting new story of real life in the Old West. Brought to you by the unique products of the historic Death Valley country. 20 Mule Team Borax and Boraxo Powdered Hats. Second only to the California Gold Rush of '49 was the '59 rush to Washoe, which later became the territory of Nevada. Claims were bitterly fought over on Sun Mountain's rocky slopes, in the barrooms of mushrooming Virginia City, and the kangaroo courts, which awarded vast tracts to some and cut off others, such as Joe Plato, with as little as 10 feet of nothing.
This is an emergency action notification. Normal programming has been suspended indefinitely at the request of the Orange County government to participate in this emergency alert system. This is WRDQ Channel 27. We will continue to serve the greater Orlando area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. A mega hurricane is now on a direct course between Orange County and the entire state of Florida. It is about as big as a whole house, and it is very strong. This mega hurricane has a wind gust of up to 460 miles per hour, which makes it unsafe to go outside beyond this point. As of 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the city of Orlando has been declared a state of emergency, as well as the entire states of Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, South Carolina, North Carolina, Kentucky, and Tennessee. The mega hurricane's name is Ricky, and he was formed into a Category 4 hurricane in the Bahamas, making a direct course to Florida at around Categories 8 to 10. As a precaution, all residents within the southeastern states are to seek intermediate shelter and find your inner refuge now. Mega hurricanes are very brutal to the southeast region. They could destroy homes, hotels, schools, restaurants, drive-thrus, churches, etc. Do not approach this mega hurricane at all costs. I repeat, do not approach this mega hurricane at all costs. Make sure you have everything you need for your survival. If mega hurricane Ricky comes, take cover now. I repeat, take cover now. Stay tuned to local and media outlets for more information on this catastrophic situation.
Let's begin.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震
Super Typhoon Bartok is on a direct course through to Hokkaido and all other regions of Japan starting at 2:30 p.m. Japan Standard Time. Bartok is expected to wreak havoc in Urayasu and Gamagori within the next hour. Japan has declared a state of emergency from the Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. It is an offense to go out and about. Bartok's winds are heavier.
超大台風バルトークは、日本標準時の午後2時30分から、東北をはじめとする日本のすべての地域を直進します。バルトークは浦安と蒲郡で1時間以内に大混乱をもたらすと予想されています。日本は安倍晋三首相から非常事態宣言を出した。外出するのは違反です。バルトークの風はより強くなります。
His winds are gusting up to 510 km per hour. Much of Tokyo Disneyland has been closed to prevent further damage to Super Typhoon Bartok. All residents within the entire regions of Japan must seek shelter immediately. No resident should go outside beyond this point.
彼の風は時速510キロまで突風です。超大台風バルトークへのさらなる被害を防ぐため、東京ディズニーランドの大部分は閉鎖されました。日本の全地域のすべての居住者は、すぐに避難所を探す必要があります。この時点を超えて居住者が外に出てはいけません。